Coming up in Primetime Sports Thursday, Shanice Love betters her national junior record on opening day of Penn Relays. Last quarterfinalist is decided in the Contender Boxing Series. And the tension continues to brew ahead of Red Stripe Premier League final. Good evening, I'm Spencer Darlington. We've got the details coming up after the break.